Minecraft, if you haven't heard of it, is one of the most popular video games of all time. It features a world built entirely out of blocks, much like Legos. The player can gather and reassemble these blocks into various shapes, some of them simple, others not so much. Despite the wide variety of tools the game has to offer, some players want more creative control over their world, and in doing so begin to mod their games. Mods, short for modifying, involve the player changing around the code that the game runs, giving them complete creative control over the game's aesthetic, gameplay, and mechanics.
Well, in 2011, my son introduced me to Minecraft. He really wanted to play this game in a certain way, so he was motivated to find the steps that was needed. He took the initiative himself to modify the game so that he could play it in the way that he wanted to. So I felt like this was something other kids could benefit from. And I felt like there was a great possibility with Minecraft to use it as an educational tool for teaching computer science without it seeming like it was an educational tool.
This project is all about STEM education: science, technology, engineering, mathematics. And engineering, especially, is all about making stuff. It's applying science and mathematics in a useful way, whether it's buildings or bridges or consumer electronics or pharmaceuticals or whatever else. It's about creation. And proficiency in STEM and computer science is only going to become more important. The computers aren't going away, and already we're in the situation where the demand for engineers far exceeds the supply. That makes jobs plentiful and salaries high, but it also means that we need to do more to prepare the next generation of students. The choice seemed pretty obvious, that let's see if we can engage students in something that they're already interested in to develop the skills that they're going to need in the 21st century.
The Maine LearnToMod program seeks to study the effectiveness of game-based education. Our online program provides the tools and lessons to enable students to easily code their own mods, using both beginner and professional languages. We have been hard at work developing the tools, lessons, and technology components of this project. Now, all we need is teachers. We offer compensated facilitator training, so no experience with Minecraft or computer science is necessary. Student participation in this program is free, and we will provide your students with all the software they need to get started. If you are interested in joining, please contact us. Together, we can create a generation of motivated computer scientists, all by helping them learn to mod.